Going to be a very busy week of weather across Kern County and really across most of California here. Let's take a look at what the impacts are going to be. We're looking at wind, rain, and snow here in Kern County. The rain is going to be the biggest concern, but the first impact we're actually going to be seeing is gusty winds. Let's take a look at those before we get into the rain. Calm right now across Kern County, but that is going to change. Already by tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon, winds really picking up. We mentioned earlier a high wind watch in effect for most of Kern County. Even here in the valley, Bakersfield, although it's showing 20 miles per hour there, could very well see wind gusts over 30 miles per hour tomorrow. And mountain areas will see even stronger winds. Places like the base of the Grapevine that are a little more wind prone could even see some gusts over 50 miles per hour. So we could deal with some minor tree damage tomorrow, even some power outages, and probably a good idea to tie down those Christmas decorations as well as these winds are picking up. Let's get into the rain here. Tuesday, maybe a tiny bit of rain here in Kern, but as you can see, the bulk of the rain is nowhere near us by Tuesday afternoon. That's going to change as we head into Tuesday night. We're going to start to see that moving into Kern County. Now, here's midnight Tuesday night. Still a pretty good rain shadow. I don't really think we're getting into the rain at this point here in the valley. Mountain areas are. As we head late into the night and into Wednesday morning, though, we see that rain becoming a lot more widespread. So Christmas Eve morning, very good, well, 100% chance of rain. I don't need to say very good, 100% chance of rain here in Kern. We do get some clearing, though. As we get into the afternoon and into the early evening hours, that main batch of rain is actually exiting Kern County, and things are really calming down for us as we head into Christmas Eve night. There's still a little bit of lingering shower activity, but nothing all that significant. But another batch of rain is on the way. That'll be Christmas, and into the day on Friday we see additional rain. So we're definitely not done with this as we head into Christmas Eve. Again, some lingering activity even into Friday. So this is going to be long-lived, and it's going to be widespread, and it's going to be, in general, a lot of rain across Kern County. This is just one model estimate. So these numbers aren't perfect here, but in general, I think we're looking at probably a little bit more than's forecasted here in Bakersfield. 1 to 2 inches in the valley, probably 1 to 2 inches for most of our desert areas. And then, of course, higher totals in the higher terrain, 2 to 4 inches for many of our mountain areas. So a flood watch is in effect for the entirety of Kern County. That means typical heavy rain impacts, flooding of low-lying areas and poor drainage areas, generally our typical trouble spots, have a chance for flooding once again. Things like rock slides through the canyon, washed out rural roads, very, very possible as this heavy rain moves in. We'll see a little bit of snow in this too. We'll talk about that here momentarily. Initially, snow levels are going to be pretty high, but eventually they'll start to lower here. So let's get into tomorrow in a little more detail. Tomorrow, probably a warm day too. Those gusty downslope winds warm us up. There is a small chance for a couple showers here and there, but mainly the wind is going to be the story tomorrow. Tomorrow night into Christmas Eve, 100% chance of rain. Very good rain chance on Christmas Day as well. Even some lingering showers for Friday. And they even have a couple models that show a little bit of rain lingering around into the weekend and beyond. But again, that heaviest rain does look to be both for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Now, mountain areas, I want to pay attention to the overnight lows. By the time we get to Friday night, they get pretty close to freezing. So if we saw any snow over the Grapevine, it would be then. However, I do think for the bulk of this, the snow is well above the Grapevine. Snow level is actually starting out about 8,000 feet.